Welcome to SigniFlow Academy, where we show you how to use our system to its full potential. So you'd like to learn more about managing your custom messages in Business Profile. Step 1 is to go to the correct page, namely Business Profile. Step 2 is to open Custom Messages tab. Step 3, enable custom messages. Step 4, do you want to enforce custom messages? Step 5, save custom message rules. Step 6, add a custom message. Step 7, name custom message. Step 8, provide custom message. Step 9, create or cancel your custom message. I will create my custom message. That is how you manage custom messages in Business Profile. For more videos like this, please visit SigniFlow.com/academy. Our link will be provided in the description below.